Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're going to be checking out the K-Toothbrush. Now, this was sent to me from the Sangsi Embossed Toothbrush company. It's a Korean-based company. It's got a couple cool features on here. Number one, it is registered with the FDA. And let's see, easy scaling features. So it's got like different levels of bristles on there, so whenever you use this, it's going to get like the upper portions and the lower portions of your teeth, so to ensure that you're getting your gums cleaned as well as your teeth cleaned all at the same time, so you're not, sort of having to move around or apply extra pressure or anything like that. The different size of bristles get it taken care of. Some other cool things about this that I really like: it has antibacterial effect due to the silver flat wire that's included in this. So unlike your regular toothbrushes, whenever you're done with this, if you don't put it in a case, or even if you do put it in a case, it will assist in keeping bacterial growth on your toothbrush, because nobody likes that. There will be a link down in the description, by the way. And so let's go ahead, open this up, and check it out. All right, so it looks like it has some perforations on here, so you can take them apart individually. Boom, just like that. I'll go ahead and open up this one here on the end. And this one here is purple in color. But yeah, look at that. It's as close as I can. You can sort of see that they are different size of bristles. This one here is going to be the adult soft size. Now, I really like the soft size, or the soft bristles, because if I get like the hard ones, it sort of messes with my gums and stuff. My dentist actually told me, hey, use the soft ones. They won't tear up your gums. And I've had amazing teeth for a really long time, so I think going with the soft is definitely great advice. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of toothpaste on this. I'm going to give it a try. All right, so I've got me some toothpaste on there. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try here really quick. All right, so tried that out. Got rid of the toothpaste. Didn't show that to you on the screen. No one wants to see that. Yeah, that was really soft. And my teeth feel really clean. I like it. I think the thing I'm most excited about is the antimicrobial benefits of this, because that's something that sort of always kind of grossed me out. But with this one, shouldn't have to worry about that. So yeah, this is a very cool little toothbrush set here. Again, this was sent to us by the Sangsi Embossed Toothbrush. It's the name of the company, Sangsi. Like I said, it's going to be linked down in the description. If you have any comments, anything like that, go ahead and shoot them to me. I stay close contact with these guys here, so I can definitely get answers for you. And once again, thanks for stopping by and checking out Reviews and How-Tos here with Tyler.